Hi, I'm Adam Heller, creator of Zero Pain Now. Today I'd like to talk to you about back pain and body pain, something you've probably heard a lot about or you wouldn't be watching this video. Perhaps you've even been diagnosed with a bulging disc or herniated disc, stenosis, scoliosis, fibromyalgia, one of the many different tendinitises. And you've probably seen some doctors and maybe a chiropractor and maybe acupuncture. If you're spiritual, maybe you've done Reiki. You've done core exercises, gone to the gym, done everything that you've been told to do to manage your back pain, to manage your pain symptoms. Well, today I'm going to share a little different perspective. After thousands and thousands of hours and hundreds of clients, at Zero Pain Now, we've learned that most of the time these structural abnormalities, the bulging disc, the herniated disc, all these things that most medical professionals blame on pain really aren't the cause of pain. And we've seen thousands of people become pain-free by learning what's really causing their pain. And actually what we found is that most pain actually originates in your brain, and then actual physical changes take place, and the end result is pain. And I'm not saying you're crazy, and I'm not saying the pain is in your head, because it's real and it's physical and it hurts and it's pain and burning and tingling and numbness and weakness and any of all those symptoms. The thing is, what we found is it just doesn't start in your spine. Realistically, if it did, all the other techniques that the professionals have asked you to do would have solved your problem. And it didn't, because you're watching this now. And what we found out is there's a very simple solution to back pain and body pain. And actually it's understanding. It's understanding what's really causing your pain so that you can get rid of it once and for all. I understand if you're skeptical. I was too, until I saw hundreds of people heal their pain through understanding. So what I want to do is invite you to go through Zero Pain Now. Watch the videos, read the articles, arm yourself with information, and learn what's really causing your pain. And if this resonates with you, get a program. Actually, don't just get a program and do it all the way. And I think you're going to be really pleasantly surprised when your pain disappears. Our only job is to be here for you to help you get your full physical life back. It's your health, it's your choice. We're here for you.